Bonjour, mes amis. One thing I love to do whenever I have friends over for dinner is planning a simple activity we can enjoy together. So today, when my friend came over for dinner, even though the table was already set, I showed them how I fold the dinner napkins. They always ask about them, and today they really like what I had, so that's what we did. And as we were doing so, we were laughing, and also that activity became the perfect icebreaker and sparkle an evening filled with laughter, great conversation, and beautiful memories. I hope you like it.